Also for this question actually is quite straightforward lah. So there are 100,000 players. After T minus the number of X players is X in 100, where X and T are continuous quantities, and it is known that on average one player recruits 0.75 into the game per month, while the number of players who leave the game per month is proportional to T square. Okay, so now write down and a differential equation relating X and T. So basically you know that the rate of change or relating X and T, I mean so the rate of change of X related to the month, and in each month there's a 0.75 coming in. Okay, so you know that okay, so I mean I can write it as each one player, right, recruits 0.75. So if we talk about having X number of players, right, and in 100,000 X and T are continuous quantity, that means the total number of players coming in is for each player is 0.75 multiplied by the number of players, right? Okay, and the player who leaves per month is proportional to T square, so we don't know what is it, but since they say it's proportional, that means we can write it as some like KT square, right? Proportional, where K is a proportionality constant. So the rate of change of the players in 100,000 per month is basically 0.75 times X minus K of T square. Okay, where K is what we call the proportionality constant. Okay, can